In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to transfer, verify, and seal configurations. Warning: this tutorial does not replace the user manual. Please make sure to read through the user manual before using the configuration tool. Using this configuration tool affects the safety of the machine. Only authorized and instructed operators are allowed to use this tool. To follow this tutorial, you need to be logged in as admin. Now create a new configuration. Define two inputs. The first one we call in1 and choose single channel mode. The second one we call in2 and select single channel mode again. We will also define an output, which we will call out1, and select single channel mode. Now you can configure a safety function, such as STO of axis 1. Here, connect both input signals to the input selection request. To demonstrate what not to do, we will invert them both. A warning appears. The warning says, if used as safety function request signals, digital input signals shall not be inverted. This may lower the safety integrity of your application, but for this demonstration, we will do it. Now also connect an output signal. Then you have finished creating a small configuration. After this, you may want to transfer this configuration to the device. The device cannot be in run state to do this, so you need to pause the device for it to change into ready state. Then, transfer your configuration to your safety device with the Send button. Now, please press the Verify button in the top menu. You will see a textual report of the complete configuration that was read from the device and compared to the configuration on your PC. If there would be any differences caused by transfer problems, then those differences would be marked here. But there are none. To see the STO you have configured earlier, please scroll down. You can now change the state of the device back to run state and can test and validate the configuration. There is a monitor function in the bel.guard device in the menu on the left. Here you can see the status of inputs and outputs. In the status line on the bottom left, you can see the seal icon is broken. This configuration is not sealed. Consequently, when you turn the device off and back on, this configuration will not automatically be executed. Only a sealed configuration will automatically be started with power on of the device. So, once you have thoroughly tested it, you need to seal it. To do that, click the Seal button in the top menu. The process of sealing is done within the device. The sealed configuration automatically gets a new checksum. After sealing, the configuration will automatically be transferred from the safety device to the configuration application. Now you can see that the new checksum is also displayed in the configuration application, and on the bottom left, we see a symbol of an unbroken seal. You can save your configuration again, and lastly, create another documentation of the sealed configuration. Make sure to check out our other tutorials on how to use the bel.guard configuration application.